I researched player and team performance in Professional Halo 3, a professional video game played all across the world. In recent years, there has been a greater amount of human behavior to analyze through various social applications, such as Google, Twitter, and Xbox Live. Furthermore, more powerful data mining and data learning techniques have been developed to mine relevant information from all this data. I sought to mine data on player level and team level performance from professional Halo 3 tournaments. There are around 5 tournaments played every year in professional Halo 3, which is hosted by Major League Gaming. The two goals of my project were to see how changing teams affects player performance, and to see how changing team membership affects team performance. I had 3 steps to my methodology. In the first step, I used a dataset of results from Halo 3 tournaments, which was about 50,000 rows of data, and I used the pivot table feature in Excel to organize the data. However, I found that pivot tables wasn't strong enough to analyze the data, so I moved on to using MySQL. In MySQL, I was able to write a program to determine changes in player and team performance by aggregation and organization of the data. Finally, in the analysis step, I determined R-squared values for my graphs. My results showed that individual performance slightly decreased in both 2008 and 2009 tournaments and series as individuals switched teams more often. Furthermore, players tended to assist their teammates slightly more often as they switched teams in both 2008 and 2009. However, the biggest finding from my research were the team level results. There clearly is a trend in team performance. As teams switched more often, they tended to perform worse. Ultimately, I concluded that individual performance is not very dependent on change in an individual's team. Also, teams that stay together perform better. In the future, teams should go for longer-term contracts in order to build a roster of individuals who have been together for a long period of time.